will continue. But one thing I would like to appreciate here is Professor Bhati, Satish Bhati, who is their mentor from the Vadodara Institute of Engineering and Technology. Satish, if you just unmute yourself, he's someone who brings a winner every year from that college. And there are always practical problems which have been picked up from industry, and the students have worked on a solution to it. So I'd like to appreciate him for that. Satish, would you come online?
Thank you, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes, I can, but we can't see you.
now we can.
Right now, sir?
Yeah. So
Good afternoon, all.
tell us how you've created your winners basically in your college, because every year you have an entry which comes to the finals.
Yes, actually, sir, our managing trustee and our principals are always motivated us for such kind of activity. They provide us all kind of supports like financial support, and they provide the all resources. They give us freedom. Means whenever we want to work, we can work. Also, sir, in our college we have robotics lab, robotic club. So in that, sir, we have lots of sensors, all these kind of components. So every year, sir, first year student, we will teach them the basic of these robotics, and after learning in the final year, whenever we go to some industrial visit, we ask them the problems, and from those all problems we'll choose a problem, and we provide those problem as a project to our student. And every year, sir, we give the interdisciplinary projects, so student will get more exposure.
Okay,
So yes,
this is
sir.
very useful. This is very useful for other faculty who are seeing this to know as to what is required. You need the collaboration of your management. You need
Yes,
freedom,
sir. Yes.
and you need to systematically engage with industry. I think that's the most important point. And
Yes, sir.
yeah, go on.
And sir, also, sir, whatever project we choose, I tell student to go to participate in different national and international level competition like EYIC and some other competition like Mitsubishi Electric Cup. So from those all competition, we will get feedback from the experts and the people. So accordingly, sir, we can improve our machine.
Okay,
And
excellent.
every year,
So it
sir,
would
yes, sir.
go on
Yes,
every
got
year.
it. Yeah. Sir, every year, so at least one group from our institute will do their own startup. We already some 4 to 5 groups are there. Our alumni, they have their own startup in Vadodara, sir, and they are doing excellent job right now.
Excellent. And it would be interesting for the jury to know what role Yantra has played in all this.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. From EYIC, sir, we learn a lot. And sir, that entrepreneurship workshop. This time you introduced that workshop before the competition. So from that program, students learn a lot how to approach to the problem. We will start thinking from the problem, not the solution. So that was an excellent thing you have introduced, sir. Thank you, sir, for that.
And what role has the lab played in all this? I think you've been
Sir,
one of our earliest labs, right?
yes, sir. So in sir Yantra lab, we have, sir, lots of that basic components, all sensors, microcontroller. So student in first year student, they can play with these all components. It's not like we have to teach them or like that. Once they will learn something, they on start to think about that. How to we can use this kind of sensor in some real time application. So this way, Yantra lab play a lot, sir, role.
Excellent. Kiran, Advait, any questions before we move on?
Kavi,
CK, yes.
yeah. So I have
Yes.
a small recommendation. In this particular project, we saw some kind of a box which was containing some panel, etc. So whenever there is an opportunity,
Yes,
we as India, we should start putting the picture of that lion, which is a mark of made in India now.
yes, sir. We'll definitely put that, sir.
So that made in India is now going to play a significant role in the psychology currently that we are in.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir.
Yeah, I have one quick question.
Yeah, Kiran. Who's that?
Advait.
Right, boliye.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Do you see any limitation in what you are doing? And if yes, what are you doing to sort of mitigate that?
Sir, right now the limitation is that we have that fixed distance between that torch and our object where we want to weld. So we are thinking to put some mechanism or some sensor that can maintain the fixed distance. Like if somewhere the surface of that object is uneven, then there may chance that welding will not occur properly.
And is it
So
only on
right
flat
now
surface?
yes, sir. That is right now it's on flat surface, but we want to expand it to other axis also. Means 3D we are trying,
Okay.
and so right now it's PLC based project. So we will put install the HMI in our project. So through the HMI, we can select the shape, different shape. Like if you want to do the triangle shape or rectangle or circle, whatever shape we want to do the welding, that shape we will select, and after that we will enter the parameter. Like if I have a triangle, then the length of the edge we want. That all
So
parameter we can include.
So
So
your
one machine can work for different shapes also.
so today limitation is also the shape of the profile.
Right now, sir, it's only on work on the octagonal shape, because right now our target customer is that barrel manufacturing industry, and this project is totally funded by that manufacturing that barrel manufacturing industry.
Can you control the width of the weld?
No, right now it's limitations. Right now we are not.
Okay. Fine.
Yes.
Fine. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, great.
Thank you. Thank you,
So,
sir.
Would like to add on this.
Satish, just one observation. I think by playing with the diameter of the wire, you can control the width.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely, we can control. Actually,
The wire feeder and the gun has to be able to take a bigger or a small diameter. So how you will control the welding width
okay.
or the fillet.
Ramesh, I must interrupt here. I'm sorry because time is short.
No,
If you might, but you've given very good ideas. But the reason I brought Satish on is because I would like to particularly appreciate the faculty who are mentoring these kind of projects, and they act as a kind of a resource around which interesting energies precipitate, and they can play a very important role in connecting their students to industry. And we find that wherever faculty has played a proactive role, right, some good things have happened in that college. And I think that Aarti Phadke from KJ Somaya has also mentioned in the chat that she feels that giving that entrepreneurship program before writing the proposal was a great idea. So we'll be taking that incidentally to the next level this year. So wait and watch this space. So thank you very much, guys, from VIET.
thank
Hi,
you.
sir.
Great job.
Sir.
Thank you.
Kavi, this is Raghu here. I wanted to add, if I remember right, Satish and his team were the team that built the project, the wire
Stirrups.
for the construction,
Yes, sir.
Stirrup making machine.
Stirrup making, sir.
stirrup making machine last time or before last time?
2018, sir. 2018, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. I remember this team very well. Sorry, I have not turned on the video. My laptop is somewhere else. And I also wanted to second what Kavi is saying, that actually the faculty play a big role in continuity and in ensuring students focus on the right projects. And in the same breath, the lady professor from KJ Somaya College has to be commended.
Yes.
Well, Aarti, maybe you can unmute your video and take a bow before us. Aarti, are you there? Aarti Phadke? Well, you can take a bow from all of us and from the jury for the great job that you're doing at KJ Somaya. So thank you very much.
I have mentioned her name, not her name, because I have not registered the name. Now I will not forget it. But I have mentioned the good work that's going on in that college to other places.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Aarti, you're muted. We can't hear you.
Sorry. I must say that there's a whole team of faculty members at my college who are behind. I'm just in the front end. So thank you so much for appreciating.
Thank you. So I'd like to hand the floor back to Lohit. I think we are taking a lot of time. Thank you all for being a part of this this gathering.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the opportunity, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.